Imagine starting your day before the world awakens. The quiet solitude, the fresh air, the sense of owning the hours while others sleep. Waking up early isn't just a habit. It's a transformative life choice that unlocks higher energy, sharper focus, greater productivity, and deeper fulfillment. Throughout history and in modern success stories, early risers have dominated. From Benjamin Franklin, who famously rose at 5 a.m. to plan his day, to contemporary leaders like Apple CEO Tim Cook, up at 3:45 a.m., and Disney's Robert Iger, for 30 a.m. Scientific research backs this up. Studies show that aligning with an early circadian rhythm, your body's internal 24-hour clock, can lead to better mood, reduced risk of depression. One study found shifting wake time 1 hour earlier cuts depression risk by 23%, improved cognitive performance, and even lower chances of health issues like schizophrenia. Early risers often report higher conscientiousness, proactive behavior, and overall life satisfaction. But why does it matter so much? In a world full of distractions, the early morning gives you uninterrupted time to invest in yourself. It's the foundation for building discipline, achieving goals, and living with intention. This guide, packed with motivation, science, real-world examples, practical tips, and inspiring stories, will show you why waking up early can change your life and how to make it a reality. Let's dive in and reclaim your mornings. 1. The science behind waking up early. Why your body thrives on it. Your circadian rhythm is the master conductor of your body's orchestra. This internal clock, influenced by light and darkness, regulates sleep, hormones, metabolism, and alertness. Natural early risers, morning larks, sync effortlessly with the sun's cycle, experiencing peak cortisol, energy hormone, in the morning, and melatonin, sleep hormone, at night. Research from sources like the Sleep Foundation and Harvard studies reveals compelling benefits. Better mental health. Early risers have lower rates of depression and anxiety. A large genetic study linked early chronotypes to greater well-being and reduced schizophrenia risk. Enhanced productivity and focus. Morning light boosts alertness and cognitive function. Sleep inertia, that groggy feeling, dissipates faster when you rise early, allowing peak performance from the start. Physical health advantages. Consistent early schedules promote regular exercise, healthier eating, e.g., timely breakfast kickstarts metabolism, and better sleep quality. Morning workouts reinforce the rhythm, leading to sustained energy. Hormonal balance. Cortisol peaks naturally upon waking, providing a focused burst. Melatonin winds down with dawn light, preventing midday slumps. However, not everyone is wired the same. About 30% are genetic night owls, and forcing an unnatural shift can cause social jet lag, misalignment leading to fatigue, higher stress hormones, and health risks. The key? Consistency and alignment with your needs, paired with early bedtimes for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Real science shows early rising isn't magic. It's biology optimized. As one study noted, consistency matters more than the specific hour, but when done right, it supercharges your life. Chapter 2. Success Stories. How early risers conquer the world. Look at the giants of industry, art, and innovation. They rise early. Tim Cook, Apple CEO, up at 3:45 a.m. to handle emails and workout. He credits this for staying ahead in a competitive world. Robert Iger, former Disney CEO, 4:30 a.m. start for quiet reflection and exercise. Indra Nooyi, former PepsiCo CEO, as early as 4 a.m., emphasizing sleep as a gift but mornings as essential. Jack Dorsey, Twitter/Square founder, 5 a.m. meditation and runs. Michelle Obama, early workouts before family duties. Historical figures. Benjamin Franklin's 5 a.m. routine. Oprah Winfrey's disciplined mornings. Motivation starts in the mind. Here are powerful quotes to rewire your thinking. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Benjamin Franklin. Wake up early every day so that while others are dreaming, you can make your dreams come true. Hal Elrod. The early morning has gold in its mouth. Benjamin Franklin. One key to success is to have lunch at the time of day. Most people have breakfast. Robert Brault. It is well to be up before daybreak, for such habits contribute to health, wealth, and wisdom. Aristotle. Every morning, you have two choices. Continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. Arnold Schwarzenegger. The first step to win yourself is to wake up early. Sukhant Ratnakar. Shift your mindset. View the alarm as an opportunity, not an enemy. Affirm, I am becoming a morning person. Visualize the wins, accomplish tasks, calm energy. Incorporate these into your routine. Write one quote on your mirror or phone wallpaper. The benefits. How early mornings transform every area of life. Let's break down the profound impacts. Productivity explosion. Uninterrupted time for deep work. Studies show morning focus is superior. Health and fitness. Time for exercise, healthy breakfast, breakfasts. Early risers get more activity and better nutrition. Mental clarity and mood. Reduce stress. Higher positivity. Morning light regulates serotonin. Personal growth. Read, journal, meditate. Build habits like gratitude or goal setting. Better relationships. Start calm. Be present for family. Long-term success. Proactive planning leads to achievement. Expanded. Early rising reduces decision fatigue. Save willpower for big things. It fosters discipline, the muscle behind all success. Potential challenges and balanced view. Fairness matters. Not everyone thrives at 5 a.m. for night owls. Genetic chronotypes make early rising harder. Forcing it without early bedtimes causes sleep debt, fatigue, higher cortisol, stress. Social jet lag. Weekday early rises versus weekend sleep-ins disrupt rhythms. Other drawbacks. If sleep deprived, irritability, or unrefreshing sleep. Solution: gradual shifts. Listen to your body. Aim for consistency over extremes. Science emphasizes align with natural tendencies where possible. Practical guide. How to become an early riser step by step. Here's your actionable plan. Go to bed earlier. Sleep only when truly tired. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Fixed wake time. Set alarm consistent, even weekends. Morning light exposure. Open curtains or walk outside immediately. Evening wind down. No screens 1 hour before bed. Dim lights. Meal timing. Breakfast soon after waking. No late dinners. Exercise smart. Morning workouts reinforce rhythm. Incentives. Reward with coffee, reading, or sunrise views. Gradual adjustment. Shift 15 minutes earlier weekly. Accountability. Track and journal. Partner up. Handle setbacks. One late night. Reset next day. Pro tips. Use natural alarms. Light simulators. Hydrate first thing. Building a powerful morning routine. Maximize your early hours. 5-10 minutes. Gratitude, journaling, or affirmations. Exercise. Walk, yoga, or workout. Planning. Review goals. Prioritize tasks. Learning. Read or listen to podcasts. Nutrition. Healthy breakfast. Sample 5 a.m. routine. 5:00. Wake. Hydrate. Light exposure. 0.5:10. Meditate / affirm. 0.5:20. Exercise. 0.6:00. Shower. Breakfast. 0.6:30. Deep work. This compounds into massive results. Overcoming obstacles. Common excuses and solutions. I'm not a morning person. Chronotypes can shift gradually. Too tired. Fix with earlier bedtimes. Snooze button temptation. Place alarm across room. Winter darkness. Use bright lights. Motivation. Remember Jocko Willink. Discipline equals freedom. Word count. 3, 500. Chapter 9. Inspirational stories and extended motivation. Dive deeper into stories. A software engineer. Early coding sessions boosted career. Single parent. Quiet time reclaimed control. Expanded anecdotes, quotes, and visualizations.
Thank you for watching this inspiring success story all the way through. If you enjoy learning about how ordinary people build extraordinary business and it motivates you to chase your own dreams, please smash the like button. It means a lot of the channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next amazing business success story on Cash at Less. Comment below which entrepreneur or business topic should I cover next. Also share this video with your friends, family, or anyone hustling to build wealth. They all thank you for it. Let's grow together. See you in the next video. Thank you.